Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to discuss some SEO testing and some citation methods that I've been implementing and examining that I think will be really fun. I've been testing this for the past 3 days on other accounts, but I decided to go ahead and share it with you so you can implement it. I'd really like to know what you feel before I continue my tests, and I'll know the answer myself. But first, before I get into this citation method that's going to be hosted using the Instagram platform, and I'm also going to test this exact method on the Twitter platform, I want to first cover what exactly a citation is, just so we're all on the same page here. So a citation, simply put, a Google citation is a mention on a website that lists your name, address, and phone number, also known as your NAP. And Google is constantly searching the internet looking for local information that matches the business listing. The more citations, the more mentions, the more popular, the better off your business is. We're not going to get into discussion. In my opinion, I think any mention, especially on a site that's as powerful as Instagram, being a DA 93 website that's going to host my NAP. Let's just jump into it. Let me show you what I've been playing with on other sites. This will be the first time that I make it public on my public account. So how you go about doing this is, obviously we are on the desktop, so we're going to want to go to our developer tools. We can then make posts on the social media platforms. This will be considered the first post of what I'm about to show you that's going to be a citation hosted by this social media giant, Instagram. So how we create the citation and how we get our own URL that we can then send backlinks to, get indexed, and hopefully have an ultra powerful citation pointing at our website. I think it will also take up a space in the SERP. Plus, I think popularity of a hashtag, I think other posts need to be sent to it. Again, this is beginning stages of testing. I just want to share it with you, okay? So how you would go about this is we want to use uppercase. All right, so the name of my company is, and then the address. I'm doing just how it would be inside of Google. All right, let's double check and make sure that everything is here. We have our name, our address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. Name, address, phone number. Now this is where it really gets fun because Instagram is going to go ahead and host this. All right, now we'll go ahead and share that. Now this is the part that gets really fun. This is what I wanted to share with you. Now as you know, we know that hashtags are just like URLs. Hashtags from Instagram will index inside of Google. Now that we have this hashtag is live. We click on the hashtag. Now I have the very first post. And if you look up here in the URL bar, as you can see here, I have my name, address, and phone number, an NAP, which is going to be a citation being hosted by Instagram. And then as you can see right here, look at, I have my citation is right here. And the very first post, look at this showcase. I mean, you could put your picture there. You could put your business logo here, right? Because when this indexed and it shows up in Google, if somebody were to click on it, because it's just going to be another powerful piece that's up in the SERP, a potential customer could click on it. They'll go to this page. They'll see your business. They'll see your face. This is new. This is new testing. No one is doing this. I'm showing you first. Okay, so let's move on now. What's really great is we can go ahead and take this. We're just going to go over to Twitter. Now, this site is also very good for getting things indexed, but they also have a hashtag system, but their hashtags are set up a little bit differently. Now, I've already been playing with this on other websites. I do not think that Twitter will act the same, but I think it'll be absolutely wonderful for maybe sending potential link juice or getting this, helping this link along get indexed. Like I mentioned, I've done this. I've moved on to about my third day of testing on the other sites. I think that it needs some other backlinks. I also think that other people need to post to it. I think it needs to be popularized in order for it to be indexed. I know that Instagram is a very powerful website, and you would think that it would index instantly, but if a particular hashtag is not gaining momentum, I don't think that it holds the same amount of weight. Again, I'm still in testing phase, so it's rather new. This concept was derived by a very good partner of mine. We've been playing with this concept. So in any case, we're going to go ahead and tweet this out. And let me show you how this stands on the Twitter platform. And again, we're sitting at a DA93 website. In my opinion, a relatively powerful website. So if we take a look and we click on the hashtag now that has been created, again, now they have a SRC, which is almost like a embed of sorts, but this is a hashtag. If I click on the hashtag, it brings me to a page, and we're at twitter.com/hashtags. And again, in the URL, Twitter is a lot different than Instagram. It doesn't seem like it's holding the same amount of weight. Now, there is a URL that's hosting my name, address, and phone number, building a citation, but I do not think that this is going to act the same as Instagram. Now, if you really enjoyed this method, this is some new testing that I'm playing with. I wanted to show it to you. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions regarding SEO testing, regarding SEO, digital marketing, local SEO, internet marketing, affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, really anything, leave it in the comments below. I'm always happy to help you. If you have anything else, ask me, I'll help, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, local SEO testing video. Have a wonderful day.